Recording in progress.
Good morning. Okay, so ito yung question dito. So numerical to, numerical mathematics. What part of 75 is 25? So letter A, 1/2. Letter B, 1/3. Letter C, 1/4. Letter D, 1/5. Pag sinabing what part, ito yung hinahanap natin, yung number. Yan, so yan yung N natin. Of is multiplication. So times. 75, baba natin yung 75. Pag sinabing is, equals 25. O, ito na yung equation. N times 75 equals 25. Yan ang equation natin. What part of 75 is 25? So, multiply natin to. Pwede natin to i-eliminate yung 75. So, lagay natin dyan. Over 75. 25, 75. Para ma-eliminate natin yung 75. Okay, so 75. Cross out mo na yung 75. So, ang mangyayari, N equals, magiging N equals, ano lang siya? 25 over 75. Lowest, pwede natin ito siya ma-change to lowest form. I-divide natin by 25. Yan, lowest form. Ito yung ano niya eh. Yan, 25. Greatest common factor, di ba? 25. So, 25 divided by 25 equals 1. 75. O, 25 to, sorry. 25 yan. 25, 25. Okay? So, 25, 75 divided by 25, 3. So, ito na yung answer natin. So, N equals 1/3. So, what part of 75 is 25 equals 1/3. So, letter B. Yan. Okay, so babantayan nyo lang itong pag sinabing what part, number yan. Ito yung hinahanap natin, yung N, yung number. Pag sinabing of, yan, multiplication yan. Is, equals yan. So, ganito lang ang pag-answer ng mga ganitong klaseng questions sa civil service tsaka licensure exam for teachers. Okay? Right.